What's up, traders? Welcome back. I haven't recorded for a while, but now we're going for this backtest Sunday thing. I streamed it once, but the quality of the stream was pretty off. So we'll start from here. We got I'm back August 28th, 2024. And we are marking out previous weekly, and the reason why I call it BT is because backtest previous weekly high, and then Monday here, Friday, is it lower? No, so the previous weekly low will be here. Just like that, and then we will do this and this and put in the just like this. Just give me a second to mark up these areas here like that, and then we will have Monday here, so we have Friday here. Previous daily high on the back test and previous daily low. Just give me a few seconds here and then we will like that. All right, so I've set the time interval to 5 minutes, so per tick it will be 5 minutes. Let me see here, just really quick. 2525 has been a tough sucker to break. 2500 has also been a tough fucker to break, and we grabbed some liquidity on the 4 hour and got a baseline touch at the 2475 area. And 2574 has been a strong resistance, now working as a strong support. So let's see how the market will react here. We've got the Asia session opened up, showing bearish movement, closing down below, closing down below previous weekly low, previous daily low. And now we're going for a retest in the 2500 area. So let's see how we will move on from here until our session at hope that will be over here. So London opened up, we're still in the 2500 area, and this is my own indicator, just so I got AI to make it for me, just if you're curious why. I've got these $25 markups. And my session starts at 15:30, as you know. So we will soon be on. Let me pause it real quick and let's see how the 4 hour, what the 4 hour is doing. Yeah, the 2500 is acting as a strong support again. At 15 o'clock, we'll see where this 4 hour closes, but I'm not expecting it to close down here. I'm expecting it to close up around here or around here, or maybe not. How's the EMAs on 30-minute? Okay, so we are bearish on the lower time frames, bearish on 1 hour, bearish on 2 hour, bearish on the. We're still consolidating in the 4 hour, but the EMAs 9 and 18 is getting close to the baseline. So what about the daily time frame actually? Let me see here. We don't have the EMAs here. Okay. Then screw that. We could switch bullish. We could also continue bearish, but let's see what happens here at 15:30. Uh, okay, actually, I wasn't paying attention. I was looking at 15:30, but we actually got the we actually got a baseline touch right here. So I know I should have put the trade in here before, but we are going to do that now. And the high is, no, we're not doing that. We're not going to be. So let me see here. We're gonna do. So our entry would be here, but as we didn't get the continuation, so but we did close above here. Okay, I'll just do like this because this would have been my entry and then the stop loss down here, and we would then go for we'll go for a 1 to 5, but we would then, because of the high time frame, go for the 25 area. So let's see what happens. We might get taken out. Yeah, all right. That's what happens when we trade before 15:30. 15:30 comes in now, and the EMA is looking very good. Okay. We got a new chance of a re-entry here. So we will do like this. And then 100 points up. That would be right here. And we don't have a wick yet on this candlestick. So I would do like this for starters. 1 to 25.21, so we'll go for a, no, we're still going for the 25 area up here. Let's see what happens here. I would have closed 50% here, and that we would have been taken out. All right. And what's the time? It's 19 o'clock, so we are done for the day. 2 losses, down 1%. All right. That's just the game. I would be done trading here, so we can go like this now. Okay. Let me see here. We're going to move that. And then we will take the previous daily high, stuff like that, and move it down here. Previous daily low would be down here, and then the equilibrium. My mentor has told me to take all the trades that is all the opportunities that come, and this was still just consolidating in this area here. And now something happened. Holy moly. My session hasn't started yet, it's coming. And now we are on. Sorry for that. Yeah, we did get this right here. We got the baseline touch engulfing, and then no trade. We could have gone in there, but we didn't have a we did have the baseline touch here, but it was not. It wasn't a confluence of mine, so no trade. Uh, Here we go again. Yeah, this area is working as a support again, as we saw before on the oh, and we are on. Give me a second here. Yeah, we're entering this trade right here. And a 1 to 5. Let's see what happens. All right. Oh, that's funny. That's fucking hilarious. Mm, that's why we gotta love trading. Entry done. So down another 0.5%, so down 1.5%. That's just the game. Sick, man. All right, let's mark up previous daily low. That will be London low here, and previous daily high will be US high, and the previous daily equilibrium will be right here. All right, let's see what happens. Okay, let's move it up a little bit. A little bit. Okay, so Asia actually gave a very nice trade here. But we're not trading Asia, but it did give a very nice trade here. The wick down here, there's a dip before the move. So we would have entered here, around here, stop loss around here, and nice. That's a very nice trade, this one, right here. Very nice stop loss as well. Let me see here. That would be boom, 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 boom. Let's just set it in just 25 pip SL. Wow, that's some nice risk management right there. That's some very nice risk. No, the risk is the same, but the stop loss is nice because that means we need a much shorter movement to get the 1 to 5. So let's just see if this trade would have been a very nice trade. And it would. Holy. And we'll slow down time here. So Asia actually gave the movement here. Let's see. Let's see here. Is it going to be a potential 1 to 10? Oh, wait. Let me see here. We have the daily low here. This is 2 years ago. That's almost 3,000 pips. No. Yeah. No. Yeah. No. Is it 300 pips? What's that? Every $10 is so 100. That's 300 pips. Okay. 248 pip. So there's still a potential for a trade here at our session. So if this one closes up around here, wait, and it did, so we could have a potential trade right here. Or not. Wait a second, because we are getting it will be past my my trading session, but let us just see here what happens. Yeah, it's just consolidating, volume turned down. We could what's the time here? If I was trading at this time, which I'm usually not, then this would be my entry, and this would be my stop loss, and then a 1, 2, 5 here. Let's just see what happens. I don't expect it to do anything. I expect it to hit us out actually. And now that we got this as our entry candle, we would actually move our stop down to or up to here instead. Actually, hmm, it's the same. That doesn't make sense. Hmm. Let's just see what happens here. Yeah, I don't think that this trade is going to work out, because then we would have to hold it through Asia, but maybe, maybe not. Let's just see what happens. Mm, yeah, I don't think so. We have the previous weekly high here, so maybe it will work out, maybe it won't. Let's just see. It keep making higher lows and higher highs. I know we still have this high over here to break, but it made a low and then a higher low, higher low, higher low, high low, so high, 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 high low, high low, high low. So now Asia will try and grab some liquidity, maybe retest down here. Yeah, and then the baseline touch, maybe even a retest down here. Mm, I think we have NFP this day because it's the first Friday in the new month. So I think there might be NFP. Yep. And because of that, and now that I can see how it turned out, I really hope that it will move up so I don't get wigged out. Actually, I think this was one of the NFPs I actually traded 2 years ago, and I think this was one of my biggest trades, if I don't remember wrong. Let's just we're missing something. We're missing something. Give me a second, because I'm just looking at the trade right now, and I have to move our previous daily low and previous daily high, etc. Previous daily low would be down here. Previous daily high would be up here, and then we would have our equilibrium up here, just like that. All right, and we're still in the trade. We haven't closed yet. So we're still in the trade. Now something happens. And we would also look for a re-entry maybe at 1530 from 1530. So let's just see what happens here. But we will also have NFP right here. Yeah, I think I remember this day. I actually think that I bought just around 1430. And I know you shouldn't do that when it's NFP, but I did. Or maybe I'm being taken out now. 1430 is right there. Yeah, look. So NFP was bullish, but I would have gotten wicked out first. And I wouldn't have held this trade so far. So we would have through Asia or something, or have put it in break even. Yeah. Now I just wanted, now that I saw the NFP that was coming, I just wanted to hold it. And see here, we actually get a trade before we get off here. Okay, and that's actually a very nice trade. We also break below. I know that I should take the entry before, I know, so I can't like come after and say, oh, there was a trade, but there's a trade, and we're taking the trade. And then right there. And then 1 to 5. And here we would trail the stop instead. Now I would have my stop loss around, yeah, around here, because no, around here, because we would follow the EMAs. So I would have trailed my stop to down here because we broke the 2500. So I would have my stop here and my take profit would have been moved. The market is about to close, so I would have closed the trade right around here. So a 1 to 3, 1 to 2, so that would be 5 and 1, 2, 3 losing trades. That's 0, that's 1.5%, that's 1.5, 1 to 2.5. So we would be up 2.5 minus 1.5, that would be 2, 3, so 5 minus 1 is 4, 3. We would be up 3.5% for the week. And I know I'm only looking at the 15 minutes, so I think for the future, or the next backtestings, I will be looking at the 1 hour, 4 hour to make the analysis complete. Um, because I wouldn't have taken so many trades in a week. I'm not usually doing that. So, but thank you for watching, guys. This was Backtest Sunday number 2. I know the first one, the quality sucks. I hope this one is better because I recorded it and not live streaming it. So, yeah, I will see you in the next one. And I also have, I'll upload this now, but I also have a lot of trade recaps that I haven't uploaded because my life's been really fucked up lately. So that's why. Oh, sorry. I'm going through a huge downside at the moment, so bear with me. I know that this is my own journal, and I'm doing it for me, so I'm not trying to excuse to you guys, but it's also an excuse to my future self that uh, yeah. So I remember this time in life coming back stronger. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for the support, and I'll see you next time.